with this question. Sex जो है आज भी बड़ा taboo topic है हमारी society में, and nobody can understand why, because it's the most natural thing that is present, right? अगर कोई चाहे तो sex के बारे में normally कैसे बात कर सकते हैं in their life?
अगर इसको मैं अलग अलग लेवल से बताऊं, आई थिंक from the birth, the sex ed start as soon as you start telling your child कि ये body parts हैं. ठीक है, वहाँ पे हम गलती ये करते हैं कि हम गलत नामों से या कुछ ऐसे नाम जो हम भी कंफर्टेबल नहीं होते अपने पार्टनर से बोलने में, वहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है. एंड दिस इज द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप एट द डेवलपमेंट स्टार्ट. इफ यू स्टार्ट नेमिंग the body parts correctly and normalizing talking about it is the first step. So most of the cases, most of the girls, if I'll do a research and if last 100 of girls, have they ever got some bad touch? Yes, but half of them couldn't get this courage to even go and tell to their parents or mother or father. Why? Because they don't even feel acknowledged, or they feel accepted that once I'll share, they listen to it. And most of them even don't know कि इन्हें इस चीज़ को कहते क्या है. Is it something bad or not?
Awareness भी नहीं है.
Yes, कि गलत भी है. अच्छा, ऐसे टच करना भी गलत है क्या? साथ ही तो बैठे थे, अभी पता नहीं था, है ना? तो आपको वो सिग्नल्स और वो आप मिस करते हो और आप एक्सेप्टेड भी फील नहीं करते, शायद समझा जाएगा. एंड फिर स्लोली वंस यू ग्रो अप एंड इफ यू टॉक, you will be marked as XYZ names.
So that is also the taboo.
Yes.
Yeah, correct.
So being a doctor, if I talk, I'll also blame that she wants X, that's why she says this.
Right.
Right. So even if you ask your partner that I want it on bed, she or he will be blamed as you are pro, or you have played with so girls and you are on to this, or you are into adultery or something. So nobody acknowledge the other person want and need for sex. If this is somewhere normalized and accepted, I think this is the first step towards talking about it normally.
So जो डेली लाइफ में है, जो ओवरऑल सेक्सुअल हेल्थ है एंड ओवरऑल वेलबींग है, उसे प्रमोट करने के लिए क्या टिप्स देंगे आप लोगों को?
आई थिंक द नॉर्मल सेक्सुअल वेलबींग का स्टेप 1 है वेलबींग. ठीक है, सो इसमें सेक्सुअल में ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि आपको कोई नया आसन या कोई नई टेक्निक करनी है या किसी नए तरीके से करने की कोशिश करनी है या कुछ नया खाना खाना है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. मोस्ट ऑफ द मेडिकल डॉक्टर्स सेज दिस, फॉर अ गुड सेक्सुअल हेल्थ स्टेमिना यू नीड टू डेवलप अ गुड बॉडी स्टेमिना एंड माइंड स्टेमिना. Okay. So मेरे पास बहुत से ऐसे पेशेंट्स आके शादी से जस्ट पहले द मेल्स कम्स एंड अप्रोच मी, आई वांट टू परफॉर्म दिस गुड एट बेड टाइम, आई वांट अ लिस्ट ऑफ थिंग्स आई कुड ऐड इन माई डाइट एंड गो फॉर इट. अखरोट खा लूँ, बादाम खा लूँ, ये खा लूँ. जो आपने पूरी लाइफ मिस किया, आपने नहीं ऐड करा, अब वो 30 दिन में इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू ब्रिंग मिरेकल. ओके, एंड इफ यू आर नॉट गोइंग फॉर वॉक and you say मुझे ऐसी pelvic exercise बता दो कि stamina बढ़े, तो it's not helping. So for a good sexual well-being, the top 5 tips: eat right, eat home cooked meal, add fruits for sure. The water fruits are very important, be it pineapple, be it watermelon, the fruits which have water content. Okay, next you should have a good balanced like exercise. You don't need to hit gym just to get that stamina. It's not important. I am doing this much of weightlifting. No, just maintain regularity and consistency to go to gym or walk or pilates, anything, whatever you feel like. Then third, you have to be mentally very stable. Okay, the biggest myth I found in men and the women around is, if you will think about sex, you will do it better. No. The more you are relaxed and content and in love with your partner, the better, the merrier you'll do.
Very interesting.
Right? Yeah. So if you feel, oh, करना है, नहीं हो पाएगा. But if you say, let it go and let me enjoy, this was the best ever one.
This piece of advice.
Yeah. And fourth is very important, your sleep. If you're not sleeping regularly, because your body needs rest. If you're doing so much of work, your body needs this rest. Sleep, diet, exercise, very basic physical existence things. Then definitely you should ventilate your emotion. once we talk about intimacy, I'll tell that emotional intimacy, this ventilation is important. If you are intact and you do much of meditation or khana pina or walk or something, it's not going to help.
Okay. Yeah.
If you are so much filled, you're not going to get it.
I don't think people look at it from this angle. You know, they think it's a one-stop simple solution.
हाँ, that's why मुझे लोग आके बोलते हैं कि you don't have medical degree, how come you making content on social media about it? You know, if there are 3 doctors who give medication, there is not only one doctor that talks about mental health in these patients. Performance anxiety, not getting the feel, anorgasmia, vaginismus, vulvodynia. These are certain issues that are not being addressed.
Correct.
And the doctors, I know they are busy. I can feel it. I've worked with doctors, so they cannot ask everything in detail. So they just write medications they want you to work. But even when you sit with them and when you ask, they'll say, yes, I want a sex counselor or a psychologist in my field who can help my clients. And this is the gap I'm bridging. And that's why I tell my patients, if you want medicine, there are certain patients who आप दवाई दे दो, मैं दवाई नहीं देती, आप दवाई दे दो. कई चीज़ें दवाई से कैसे ठीक होंगी? So come on, if somebody comes and asks you that I'm masturbating much, और वो बोले दवाई दे दो, तो होगा क्या? How can masturbation addiction can be overcome by medicine? No. I can give you medication to lower down your libido. Only thing कि आपको हार्मोन बन रहा है, वो lower हो जाएगा. But what is that is there in your habit? You're doing it out of pleasure. You're doing it out of aggression. You're doing it out of करना है. You're doing it out of sleep कि नींद आ जाएगी. You're doing it out of खाली हैं तो कर रहे हैं. कुछ नहीं है करने को तो कर रहे हैं. तो ये फिर दवाई से नहीं जाएगा. You need to somewhere analyze your mind setup, work on your subconscious, and for this you need a therapist. इसमें दवाई काम करेगी नहीं. And there are so many other cases where only therapist could help you.